Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a review on the new Space Hippies. These are the Space Hippie 4s. There's a series of them. I actually got this one by accident. I initially wanted this one. I'm going to put a little picture right here. I wanted those, but then I actually went to the store and I found these. They were just chilling there. As you know, they released on SNKRS and they were gone in seconds, so I'm happy I got my hands on these. I'm going to show you guys the box, the construction, the sole, the insole, literally everything. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and here we go. So this is inside the box. So inside the box it says Nike Space Hippie. See, it says move to zero, and that's that. And on this inside part it has a Nike, and on this side it says Nike Space Hippies. I'm gonna take them out so you can get a better look at the box. And it just says Space Hippie towards the bottom again. Trash transformed. So if you don't know, the whole concept of this shoe is trash, and like when I get more into it, I'll basically explain like why that is and why people call it, you know, space trash. Towards the bottom is just more stuff you'll find in the Nike box. And for size, I got a 7.5. I'm initially at 8. I can go between an 8 or 7.5 in women's depending on the fit, but I found that the 7.5 was a perfect fit for me. Okay, so now moving on to the actual sneaker. So these are the Space Hippie 4s. There's a series of them. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think there's more, I'm not too sure. I was more so interested in this one and the high top one, but like I said before, I got lucky and I actually scored on these. So what's so different and unique about these shoes, this whole shoe is made of recycled material. So for example, the knit part here, if you guys can see, I'm gonna show you. That knit part is made out of something they call space waste yarn. So basically with space waste yarn, tongue twister, space waste yarn is basically 100% recycled material. So all of this knit that you see here is 100% recycled material, including like plastic bottles, t-shirt, like old t-shirts and yarn scraps. I don't know why my brain kept saying 100%, but it's actually 85% recyclable stuff, not 100. And as for the sole is actually pretty interesting because if you actually look really closely, don't know if you can see it on camera, there's actual like specks. Like if you look here, it looks more like recycled pieces. Like you can actually see the different pieces. Pretty cool. There's a 4. So this one is the Space Hippie 4, like I said earlier. You have the engraved Nike check towards the back. For the back, you know, tab, you have Nike. For the bottom, you have like these engraved pluses. So this part right here is pretty cool. It's like a little mesh. And then we're gonna take out the sole. So the sole, I haven't worn these outside yet, by the way. I literally just tried them on. So the sole, you can take them out. The sole looks like this. Little dents here, logo here. Pretty soft. And this is the size tag. It's actually stitched on to the sole. It's a little different. I've never seen that before. It was a perfect fit. Wasn't too tight, wasn't too big. I tried on the 8. The 8 was just slightly a little bit too big and like a little too doofy for me. Like, I don't have big feet, but like, I don't know, I don't wear women's shoes often, so like when I try on women's shoes, they just look so big. Like, it's weird. But yeah, this is it. And this is what the shoe looks like without the insole inside. It's actually like this soft felt material. I don't know if you could see that, but you know. So there's a logo here on the outer, no logo on the inner, but there's a logo here on the toe box. Okay, so as for the stretchiness of the shoe is pretty damn stretchy. So I don't know if you're familiar with Flyknits, but I feel like it's similar to Flyknit. Very stretchy. I'm not sure if it would like give when you wear it a bit, but from putting them on, they are very snug and like really nice and fitted. This part right here stretches a bit. It kind of looks translucent, but it's not. You can't see through it much. Well, not. You can see the gray underneath, but you can't see like the actual back of your heel. I think it's pretty. See how stretchy it is? As for where the laces are supported, it looks flimsy. You would think this little cord would like just pop in like 2 seconds, but to be honest, it's pretty strong. Like, it doesn't look like it's gonna rip out. It looks really strong. Just to give you guys an idea like how comfortable they are, how hard they are, how like flexible they are. They're actually not that flexible. Like, you would think because it looks like a running shoe that this will bend like a running shoe or something. It's actually pretty firm. It's really firm at the bottom. So I don't know how that's gonna affect like how comfortable it is when you walk or like, you know, when you bend, but we're gonna see. So far I like them a lot. I feel like you can style these really nicely with a pair of like sweats. I honestly would wear these with sweats. Maybe jeans, I don't know. Probably just sweats and like shorts and stuff, like sweat shorts or something really sporty and cute, you know. But yeah, we're gonna try them on and we're gonna see how they look. So I'll rate this shoe 8 out of 10. I give it an 8 out of 10 because I feel like this shoe is very, very, very comfortable. It's super soft, super comfortable. They don't pinch my feet, nothing like that. They're really comfortable. They're stylish. As you can see, you could do like color blocks with it. I said I was gonna wear gray sweats, but I end up adding like a pop color, which looks pretty dope as well. I'm not mad at it. I feel like the bottom toe could be slightly softer, which will make the rating go up a bit. But overall, I love the shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next sneaker video, hopefully. Yeah, enjoy. Bye.
They really fucked up when I found out my worth. I just leveled up and I doubled my worth. I bake on my bank and I'm back in my berg. I'm back in my woo. I bake on my bank and I'm back in my berg. I bake on my bank and I'm back on the works. I'm in the